Yo Johnny Opus, ways up nigger? Aren't you the new name on Smokin' Opus? Shit, you know I am Mr. Marcus, just trying to throw down some rhymes like I do, you know. Fosho playa, shit nigga, I like these costumes and all but, you think these people gonna know we're not black? Shit playa. It don't even matter because we be rhyming yo. If you can rhyme, you do whatever you want. Right nigga, and thoughts too is why the loading dock loves me. So, you serious about there being some fat girls up in this place? Mr. Marcus, you know yo boy don't play no show unless there be some fat girl up in this shit. They make me happy, yo, shit nigga. Why you keep whistling? That's just what I do when I work. Chill John, I don't play that wasted thing. Let's roll, we got skits of some Red Bulls before this sheet pops off. Yeah, and a little puff puff, a little puff, puff. What's your problem? Please oh please don't make me pop a cap. Yup, shit. I need to grab some red wine anyhow. Why, red wine? Well, Mr. Marcus, so I can keep tipping till I feel fine, you know. Johnny Opus, do you mean right here, right now? Yeah, we don't believe you. Okay, gotta run. I sure wish we weren't wearing this sheet now. Peace. Yup. Peace to you my nigga. I'm about to let this pig know who he's fucking with. Emma Smitty. Huh?